Welcome to the Scotland at Abberly Pointe Apartment Homes by HHHunt. With 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,075 square feet, this floor plan allows you to live life to the fullest. Find your inner chef in this state-of-the-art kitchen. Enjoy sleek modern finishes, luxurious cabinetry, and spacious countertops. Your kitchen offers a breakfast bar, which flows seamlessly into your living and dining area. This open concept makes dinner parties a reality. Start your day with a fresh breeze and a cup of coffee on your own private patio or balcony. Both bedrooms offer a ton of natural light, large walk-in closets, and the space that you need. Your main suite invites you to soak your cares away. Both bedrooms have access to the bathrooms and is perfect for a roommate living arrangement. With a full-size washer and dryer, coat closet, and smart technology, this home is the one you have dreamed of, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. For more information or to tour this model, visit abberlypointe.com.